Hello there, welcome back to Answer Classes. I hope you are doing great and wonderful. And I also hope you have found out a few interesting patterns around yourself. Alright, in today's class, I have got something interesting for you. That is pattern in maths. So let me ask you a question very quickly because you're already a pro in finding out patterns. And the question is over here. So here's a square and some boxes in it are unfilled. So basically you have to fill these boxes using some numbers. And the rule over here is that the total of each row or each column must be 150. Yes, so how are you going to fill it? Pause the video, try out this question. And I know you must have found out the topic of the day. Yes, the topic of the day is shapes and number patterns. So we are going to look at a few geometric shapes and we'll observe how the number patterns goes there. Alright, so here's the question that I asked you. So the question is pretty simple. The question is you have to just fill the boxes and you have to make sure that the total in each row or in each column must be 150. Alright, so let's pick up this column, the column number 3. Yeah. Okay, so now 49 plus some number is missing over here plus 47 equals 150 because the total of each column is 150. So tell me 49 plus what plus 47 equals 150? How are we going to figure it out? It's pretty simple. So what is 49 plus 47? Yes, it's 96 plus what is 150? Yes, if you're thinking of 54, then you are absolutely right. So 54 is the answer because 96 plus 54 is 150. Amazing. Now let's look at the row number 2, the second row. Okay, so 46 is there, then the number is missing, then 54 is also there. So obviously 46 plus the missing number plus 54 has to be equal to 150, right? Because that's the rule. So what is it? The answer to this one is 50. 46 plus 50 plus 54 equals 150. Alright, now let's look at the last row. So tell me, what number will come here? If you are thinking of 51, then you're absolutely right. Because 51 plus 52 plus 47 is equal to 150. Now the two numbers are left. You can find it very easily using the column pattern, right? Because the missing number over here plus 46 plus 51 has to be equal to 150, right? And similarly, missing number over here plus 50 plus 52 has to be equal to 150, right? So quickly find out the answer to these two boxes as well. Alright, I hope you had done. Now here the answer is 53 because 53 plus 46 plus 51 equals 150 and here 48 will come. 48 plus 50 plus 52 is equals to 150 and this, my dear, is called a magic square. And why is it called a magic square? Because the sum of the numbers in the rows and the sum of numbers in the column are the same, is equals to 150 are the same. So that's the reason this is called a magic square. Now you can also see some more magic squares, but make sure the sum should be equal in each row and in each column. Amazing. So quickly check your answers and the answer is over here. Now let's move on to the next geometric shape, which is a hexagon. So let's have a look at this one. This is a hexagon and the rule over here is the product of side circles is equal to the middle square. The product. Now what is the meaning of product? Product means multiplication. So you have to multiply the numbers in the side circles and you have to write that in the middle square. That is equal to the middle square. Okay, for example, let's pick up this square. Okay, now we have to multiply the side circles, which is 11 times 9. So what is 11 times 9? That's 99. So 99 is going to come in this square box. Now similarly, let's choose another square box. For example, this one. So what is 17 times 7? Yes, it's 119. Amazing. Now let's move on to this square. So what is 17 times 6? Because you have to multiply the side circles. Okay, so what is 17 times 6? So therefore, with that, the answer is 102. Perfect. Now, how about this square? Again, you have to multiply the side circles. So what is 11 times 6? Yes, that's 66. Amazing. Now, what is left? The circle is left. And we already know that if you multiply the side circles, then only you're going to get the middle square. Right? That means 9 when multiplied by this circle, we are going to get 108. Okay, so what is this number? Clearly, this number is 12. And in order to check if you have answered this correctly, you can check with these two circles. So what is 12 times 7? The product of side circles is equals to the middle square, and 12 times 7 is actually 84. Means you have filled all the numbers correctly in this magic hexagon. Now similarly, you can also try solving some magic geometric shapes. But make sure to follow the rules. I'll see you in the next session with some more interesting patterns in math. Till then, take care, see you, bye-bye.